Hi, Ma'am Aguilar! Happy 70th birthday po sa'yo. Ang wish ko po para sa'yo, Ma'am, good health and more birthday. Enjoy your day, Ma'am. Salamat po na naging teacher ko kayo sa Ernest Rondon High School. Ingat lang po kayo palagi and God bless po.
Happy birthday po Ninang Margie. Maraming salamat po at nakilala namin kayo mag-asawa. Kayo po ni Ninong. At nagpapasalamat po kami kasi po napakabuti niyo po. Kayo po yung naging inspirasyon naming mag-asawa. Kayo pong mag-asawa. Wish ko po sa inyo, Ninang, sana po lagi po kayong malakas at malakas yung pangangatawan nyo. Lagi po kayong malusog. Kayo po ni Ninong. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat sa araw-araw. Marami pong salamat, Ninang at Ninong. Happy birthday po, Ninang.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, gorgeous and fabulous sis from another mom. Welcome to the elderly world. Wow! May God continue to bless you with good health, love, happiness, prosperity, and safety. Enjoy life in God's grace. Thank you so much for making me a part of your journey. I will always cherish the good times that we shared. Cheers to many wonderful and joyful years ahead. Keep shining. Happiest 70th birthday. I love you to bits.
Birthday na naman, okay tuli ng araw. Birthday na nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang. Ngayon ay birthday mo, kaya happy birthday Margie. Our friendship started since 1978, the days of Charlie's Angel, remember? You are Kate Jackson, Ebeng is Jacqueline Smith, and I am Farah Fawcett. Those were our Bahay Kubo days. And those days blooms until today. This friendship deepens when I became Ninang of Michael, a gesture that I appreciated most. Since then, I consider our family as part of your family. Once again, happy birthday. I wish you good health, more wealth, and happiness. Thanks to Jures and your other kids for inviting me to greet you on your special day.
A very loving, humble, generous. Yan ang aking masasabi sa aking kaibigan na si Margie. Happy birthday and I wish you all the best in life. We love you. God loves you more. Bye-bye. I'll miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, ma'am. Happy 70th birthday po. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan sa ating klase noon ay nang palagi tayong nasa ilalim ng araw tuwing ating physical education class. Kahit mainit, lagi kang nagbibigay saya sa iyong mga makabuluhang aktibidades. Kaya namang napakarami kong natutuhan sa inyong klase. Today, as you celebrate your 70th birthday, I would like to share 7 qualities that I loved about you. Number 1, you are very beautiful. Number 2, very kind. Number 3, honest. Number 4, faithful to your work. Number 5, you are very generous. Number 6, you are a very good mother. And number 7, you love God supremely. Mom, celebrate your birthday with all your love. Celebrate it knowing that you have us here, your family. Happiest birthday po, ma'am. Enjoy po!
Nagtuturo na tayo, alam din nila Evelyn to eh. Ang hideout natin sa Bahay Kubo. Diba? Madalas tayong pagalitan ni Sir Cano. Ano na naman ginagawa niyo sa Bahay Kubo? Sabihin na. Wala, nagchichismisan lang, sir. So, ayun lang yung naalala kong masayang ano natin. Kasi kung minsan, palagi ka na lang ng kay Joey. Pag bekan mo ng kay Joey ka, hindi ka tumatambay sa amin eh. Kaya ano na lang, muli, binabati kita, maligayang kaarawan. At mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Margie, ang nag-iisang Margie Aguilar sa buhay ni Kuya Joey. My only wishes for you and prayers are for your good health, long life, and safety. Good health and long life para magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang panahon to live with your children and apos. Safety kasi ito yung kailangan natin sa araw-araw na undertakings natin, especially when you are traveling abroad. There are many things that I remember about Ate Margie. Isa, yung mga anecdotes niya, kasi dumating ako sa Rondon, dalaga pa ako, pero ang dami-daming anecdotes, ang dami-daming kwento tungkol sa kanya, tungkol sa buhay nila ni Kuya Joey, mula nung naging mag-boyfriend-girlfriend sila hanggang sa naging mag-asawa at magkaroon ng mga anak, no? I admire yung the way she professes her love to Kuya Joey. Nakakatawa. She always does it in a jokingly manner, pero totoo, nakakatuwa, nakakakilig, pati siya natatawa sa ginagawa niya. And one thing also na inadmire ko kay Ate Margie is yung kanyang pagiging dutiful and loving mother. Dutiful kasi kahit na maraming trabaho sa school as a teacher, nakukuha niya pa rin asikasuhin ang mga anak niya. Nakita naman natin how her children graduated, finished their education, at yung mga to ay nagkaroon na rin ng mga sariling pamilya nila, except for Joresa, of course, no, na until now ay single pa rin. Soon mag-aasawa din yan. Si Ate Margie, loving mother kasi iniisip niya talaga yung welfare ng kanyang mga anak. Kahit na, feeling ko kahit na wala nang natitira sa kanya, wala na siyang pambili ng bag o ng kung ano pa man, basta ito ay maibigay niya sa kanyang mga anak, no? Naalala ko nung mga lumalaki at nag-aaral pa yung kanyang mga anak. Sila, syempre, ang sweldo namin noon, maliit pa, no? So, I remember how they would think of ways na magkaroon ng tuition yung mga bata. At alam ko naman na itong mga paghihirap ni Kuya Joey at ni Ate Margie ay nasusuklian na ng mga anak niya ngayon, no, na kahit na may respective families na, alam ko and I believe na love na love nila si Ate Margie. At kasama na doon syempre si Kuya Joey. Wala akong masasabi kundi maging mabuting asawa ka pa, stay beautiful kasi maganda ka, at stay loving with your children. And I pray na kahit na mas dumagdag pa ang marami pang mga taon na dumagdag sa ating buhay, ay tayo pa rin ang magiging magkagrupo sa sa buhay, no, na yung relationship natin as friends and with other batch 78 and friends ay um, maging stable pa rin. So Ate Margie, happy birthday, and I love you very much. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to an amazing friend. Wishing you a birthday as bright and beautiful you are. 70 years and still shining strong. Here's to many more adventures, laughter, and making memories together. Love you.
Hi, G. Hello. Nagulat ako nung nalaman ko, 70 years old ka na pala. Hindi naman halata, parang yung dati pa rin nung magkakasama pa tayo sa school. Wala namang pinagbago. So, hindi ka halatang 70. Parang 69 lang. But, kidding aside, so, happy birthday. Unti-unti mo nang nakukuha yung dream mo. Yung dream mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Yung dream mo na mabuo yung pamilya mo, sama-sama yung mga anak mo. So, ilan na lang. So, darating din yung time, mabubuo mo rin yung pamilya mo. Nandiyan kayo sa iisang bahay. Sayang nga, hindi tayo nagkita noon nung nagpunta ako dyan sa Frisco. So, anyway, so sana, bago kayo umalis, kita-kita ulit tayo, buo ulit yung grade 9, yung third year, kasi grade 9 na ngayon eh. Buo pa rin yung mga teachers ng third year. So, happy-happy lang, parang yung noong araw, kwentuhan lang. So, again, happy birthday. So, wishing you all the best. So, sana humaba pa buhay nyo, humaba pa buhay nyo yung dalawa ni Joey. So, lagi sana kayong masaya kasama yung mga bata. Kagaya nyo na, dagdagan na naman yung apo mo. Kaya lang, malayo naman si Mark sa'yo. Pero sabi ko nga, darating din yung time, sama-sama kayo lahat dyan. So, kumusta na lang kay Joey? So, till we meet again. So, happy birthday ulit.
Hi, G. At 70, I would like to compare you to a fine wine. You are getting better in time. And as you grow older, you age beautiful and graceful. Happy 70th birthday, G. Hope you enjoy your day with your family, relatives, and friends. I love you.
Blessed and happiest birthday. Today is your day. Celebrate to the fullest. May the year ahead be filled with joy, love, and happiness. May God bless you today and forever. Again, happy birthday, Margie.